Hi, this is Anna with WTI. If you're looking for a great family pastime where you and your kids are gonna laugh, this is the way to go. Qwirkle is by far one of the funniest games to play. And not only that, it gives you the strategic where you have to get all your shapes in a row. You can either get rows of colors. And honestly, it is truly such a family enjoyable game. You can have adults play together, kids play with adults. It really is that fun and interactive. So it actually contains in the box 108 wooden tiles that are all painted black with a vibrant design on each one. It comes with a drawstring bag, so you can keep all the tiles in. And of course, most importantly, it comes with the rules to teach you how to play. It's actually very easy how to play. It's a great, fun family pastime. And not only the game is fun, but the name, Qwirkle. How cute is that? So if you're looking for a great family pastime where young and old can come together and play, Qwirkle is definitely worth the hype. It's a great game to play. It lasts about maybe 30 to 60 minutes. So it's not going to take forever to play. It is truly a fun game. And that's my point of view.